Welcome back. Since the U.S. Supreme Court overturned Roe v. Wade, multiple Michigan courts have made rulings that many healthcare providers and others say are inconsistent and confusing. After the High Court's ruling, Planned Parenthood filed a lawsuit in the Michigan Court of Claims against Attorney General Dana Nessel and county prosecutors, saying they can't enforce the state's 1931 ban on abortion. That judge ruled no one can enforce the ban until the issue is decided by a court. Well, some county prosecutors didn't like that. They went to the Michigan Court of Appeals. The Court of Appeals dismissed their case last week. As attorney Brian Waldman explains, most lawyers took that as a loss for the prosecutors, but they didn't.
In that order dismissing the case, the Court of Appeals panel said the prosecutors are not bound by that ruling because they have their own decision-making power independent of the Attorney General. Now, the prosecutors who brought that case are saying, even though our case was dismissed, we got what we want. We got the Court of Appeals to say we're not bound by the Court of Claims order preventing us from enforcing the 1931 statute. But Planned Parenthood and others are saying, wait a minute, the Court of Appeals has a mechanism. They have a way of changing things if they disagree with the lower court. And that way is to overturn the opinion or the order of the lower court. And that didn't happen here. And so as a result, the order issued saying that the Attorney General and all prosecutors can't enforce this 1931 abortion ban is still a good order, and everyone has to follow it. And then to confuse things further, the same day the Court of Appeals issued its order, a judge in the Oakland County Circuit Court about 4 hours later issued another temporary restraining order saying that county prosecutors are barred from enforcing or prosecuting anyone for violating this 1931 law until there's a ruling on whether it's constitutional, again, under Michigan's constitution. And so it's all very confusing. You have three courts saying different things. You have different people arguing about which orders control and which rulings control. And from the very beginning here, in Governor Whitmer's lawsuit, she's been saying, hey, Michigan Supreme Court, we need you to step in. We need you to not wait for any circuit court, the Court of Claims, or even the Court of Appeals to make a decision. We need you to tell us what the law is, because everyone, all the citizens in the state of Michigan deserve clarity. They deserve to know what the law is on this issue. And the more confusion there is, the better argument Governor Whitmer has to get the Supreme Court, the Michigan Supreme Court, involved. So this may be what's needed to actually get the Michigan Supreme Court to grant that request from the governor and ultimately give us a ruling so that everyone will have some clarification on the issue.
Thank you, Brian.